All right, coming to the layout, once again, I'm going to take a look at the Page Setup Manager. Here I'm going to import the page setup from a previous drawing. Once I have that open, I'll select the desired page setup, click OK. In my current drawing, I'll select the page setup here and make sure I set it to current. Close. There we go. So again, let's take a look at the layers. Let's start with the temporary viewport to lay out all the views. We can adjust it here to show the top view. Double click to activate that. Zoom extents. There's our view. We've got a one-to-one view there. Enter your solid view drawing. O for ortho. Project it from the bottom. All right, still can't see it. It's moving around. That's okay. Hit enter. Crop the viewport. Give it a name. All right, now we'll enter again to exit, and then we'll reposition this viewport to show it as the isometric view. Double click in there to make it active, and then change your view. We could do southeast or southwest, doesn't matter right now. Okay, let's make sure that that's still on the 3D layer, right? Yes, okay. Then coming back to paper here, we'll adjust this view as soon as we create the next one. So let's use solid drawing again. O for ortho, project the top towards the top of the drawing area here. Hit enter, and then clip it, and then give it a name. Now, once we exit, I'm going to fix these views, right? So if I double click into any of them and then zoom extents, let's reset the scale there. Switch to the other view, do the same thing, zoom extents, and then set the scale. So that those views should be centered and aligned, okay? Now, once again, review your layer settings, and then we could do the solid drawing to render the line work. Okay, so now going over to Solid Draw here, we'll select the solid viewports, hit enter to render them. Coming over to the isometric view here, we'll use solid profile, select the solid model, enter and accept all the prompts. Return to the layer manager, and for this viewport alone, freeze the 3D layer. Now, when we return back to our layers here, now you'll be able to see your profile hidden and your profile visible layers, which you can adjust. And be sure that you reset this back to all layers, okay? And once again, when you're dimensioning, make sure you're in the correct layer for the view that you're dimensioning. For example, here we have top dimension, okay? And consider locking each viewport here to prevent any more movement. When you're finished there, what you could do is freeze those viewports, update your title block, and save your drawing.